everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of fasting. Specifically, we'll explore what happens to your body during a 24-hour fast. Whether you're considering a fast for health reasons or just curious, this video will provide you with all the insight you need. But before we get going, I'm Colleen the coach. This is my channel, Raising Health, and I'm here to teach you how to eat right for life, all while you reach your health goals. Okay, guys, fasting is the practice of abstaining from food and sometimes drink for a set period. A 24-hour fast means that you go without consuming any calories for an entire day. People fast for various reasons, including religious, health, and personal goals. Okay, during the first few hours of fasting, your body is still digesting and absorbing the nutrients from your last meal. Your blood sugar levels are stable and the insulin levels are low. You're in a state of normal metabolic functioning. As you move into the 6 to 12 hour range, your body starts to use stored glycogen for energy. This is when you might start to feel a bit hungry. However, many people find this period manageable as the body is still relying on its glycogen reserves. Okay, guys, between 12 to 24 hours, your glycogen stores are depleted and your body begins to enter a state called ketosis. This means it starts breaking down fat for energy. Ketones are the byproduct of fat metabolism, your primary energy source. This is a crucial period where fat burning occurs and you might feel an increase in mental clarity and energy levels. Fasting for 24 hours can have several benefits: improved insulin sensitivity, enhanced brain function and mental clarity, reduced inflammation, cellular repair processes like autophagy are triggered. However, it's important to note that individual experiences can vary and fasting might not be suitable for everyone. While fasting has its benefits, it can also present challenges. You might experience hunger, you might be irritable, you might have some fatigue. Staying hydrated and keeping busy can help you manage these symptoms. If you have any medical conditions or are taking medication, consult with your healthcare professional before you try a fast. This wraps up our look at what happens to your body during a 24-hour fast. Remember, fasting can be a powerful tool for health, but should be approached with caution and proper knowledge, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more health and wellness content. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Ciao, ciao.